Hello friends, today we are making this beautiful 5-petal flower. It is very easy to make. You can make it in just 5 to 6 minutes. I hope you like it. So let's start. I'm using hook 2.5 mm. First we make a magic ring. Now chain 5, chain 5, we make treble crochet, three times, chain 3 for picot stitch, 1 2 3. Now slip stitch, to make a picot stitch, again treble crochet in the ring, 1 2 and 3. Now again chain 5, 1 2 3 5 and slip stitch, or one petal is ready. Now the second one, chain 5, make treble crochet, chain 3 for picot stitch, 1 2 3. Down here we have 2 loops. Here we will make slip stitch like that, like this. Make another treble crochet, chain 5, and slip stitch down here, and your second petal is ready. Again chain 5, treble crochet, chain 3 for picot stitch, make slip stitch, treble crochet, chain 5, slip stitch in magic ring. The third petal is ready for the 1 2 3 4 5, chain 5 again, make treble crochet, chain 3 for picot stitch, slip stitch and triple crochet. This is a very quick and easy flower. You can make it in 5-6 minutes. So the fourth petal and the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5, treble crochet, chain 3, slip stitch for a picot stitch, treble stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, last slip stitch, and your 5-petal flower is ready. Now you just need to pull the yarn from the back side, just little pull the yarn, so and cut the yarn, and your beautiful flower is ready. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, visit my playlist crochet tutorials. Till the next video, bye.